Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an alert when your cab goes off route. If you use Google Maps to get a route to your destination now, it can alert you whenever you go off route. To enable the off route alert, open the Google Maps app on your phone and get navigation to your destination. Now select the direction button. Here you'll see three options: start, steps and stay safer. Tap on the stay safer button. It will prompt you with two new options: share the live trip and get off-route alerts. Tap on the second one. Now the Google Maps will start tracking your route and alert you if your cab goes off-route by 500 meters. You can also share your live trip with your friends from here. It will let your friends track your live location very easily. This feature comes handy when you hail a ride to your destination. This way, you don't have to look at your phone continuously to check the route. And this could help you relax during the journey home instead of worrying about every single detour or missed turn. That's it guys, this is how to get an alert when your cab goes off route. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.